Ready to bring your wildest ideas to life and create stunning animations? Let's dive into Adobe Animate and explore the fundamentals of bringing your visions to life. First, open Adobe Animate. You'll be greeted with a blank project. Click Create New, and select the type of document that best suits your needs. For this example, let's choose a Full HD 1920x 1080 document, setting the stage for a modern animation. Now it's time for the fun part. Adobe Animate's interface offers various tools. On the left you will find all drawing tools. Click and select the rectangle tool. Click and drag a rectangle on the stage. This is your first shape. Now, let's add some color. On the right hand side, look for the Properties panel, which allows you to change the filling color. Now, click on the timeline at the bottom. By default, you'll see one layer. We can add animation now. Move the playhead to the 15 frame, right-click and click Insert Keyframe. Now, go back to the stage and move the rectangle back in the timeline. Create the motion tween. Right-click between both keyframes and select Create Classic Tween. Now click play. Your rectangle should magically move. Congratulations, you've created your first animation. Keep practicing, experimenting, and most importantly, have fun.